How to transfer money from Revolut to Interactive Brokers. To transfer money from Revolut to Interactive Brokers, follow these steps. Go to Interactive Brokers website and log in with your account ID and password. Click on Transfer and Pay option. Now select Transfer Funds. Select Make a Deposit option. Now enter your Revolut account information. To find your information, you need to open Revolut app on your phone. Click on your profile icon at left top corner. Click on Account Details. Choose the account you will send money from. Here is the information you will need. The name of the institution is Revolut. Now go to Transfer. Click on New. Select Add a bank account. Now, add the information according to your account. Enter the amount and click Continue. Then, click Continue in Interactive Brokers. It may take some time to complete. I hope this video helped you. If you are facing any issues, then contact customer support. Thanks for watching.